this journey to globalize this university, you know, it could not have come at a better time, be it on health matters, innovation, the AI, leadership, name it. These are topics which are very timely now, and Professor, I want, on behalf of the President and the government and everybody, to say that we are going to work with you and we are going to support you in every way to realize your dream of making this university a great university. And that dream of making it #1 in Africa is very, very, very realistic. Finally, I am here because to support this dream, my ministry is collaborating with the University of Nairobi in several ways. As Professor has mentioned, we are going to do a training of the Kenya School of Government, which is under me, with the University of Nairobi, specifically on 2 areas. One is on the Leadership Institute, because we want the government part of that Leadership Institute to come from the Kenya School of Government, and we are going to break that barrier to ensure that we work together. The other major area that we want to support this initiative is on the green jobs. My ministry is also responsible for the Huduma Kenya service, which is very popular. Last year, we served 13 million Kenyans through the Huduma centers, 52 of them. And now we've just acquired private partnerships to enable us to scale up the Huduma centers. One of the areas we are scaling up is, I've discussed with my brother here, that we want to set up business process outsourcing centers, BPOs, and call centers in all the public universities, starting from the University of Nairobi. What this will do is that because we are going to work on offshore jobs, on green jobs, students working, who are in the University of Nairobi can now be able to work on our call centers, on our work study, and part of their salaries will be deducted to pay for their fees in support of the new financing scheme that Professor Machogo put in place. Professor, I said Professor, because priorly, Professor Machogo. So, Professor Patrick, Chancellor, I want to really say that through these 2 initiatives, we are going to work hand in hand on green jobs, on the issue of leadership, because these big 5 must be a reality.